Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm going to guide you through each step of the installation process. In a few short steps, you and your family are going to be enjoying your new American Standard Eco-Strength 2-piece toilet.
Remember to take your time, take a break, or re-watch a step whenever you need to. If you need additional information, you can always refer to americanstandard.com or call our customer service line. Before we begin, I like to make sure I have everything that I will need, organized and within reach. I find this helps make the install as smooth as possible. At this point, you can remove all contents from the package and lay them on a flat surface nearby. You'll want to double check that all required pieces are included. Gather all the required tools and keep them in your work area. While not required, I like to keep some old towels or rags around. You might need them to catch some water or for a quick cleanup.
Install the closet bolts in the flange channel and slide them into place, parallel to the wall. Be sure to put some cushion down to prevent any damage to the floor. Then invert the toilet on the floor. Now install the wax ring evenly around the waste flange on the toilet, keeping the tapered end of the ring facing the toilet. Position the toilet on the flange so that the bolts project through the mounting holes. Loosely install the retainer washers and nuts. Now you'll position the toilet squarely to the wall and apply weight evenly on the wax ring and flange. Alternately tighten the nuts until the toilet is firmly seated on the floor. Then hand tighten the caps on the washers. Do not over-tighten. To install the tank, attach the tank to the bowl gasket and the tube gasket under the tank. Then tighten the handles alternately until the tank contacts the front and the back of the bowl, achieving china-to-china contact. Now install your seat, using the instructions that came with the seat. Connect the water supply and hand tighten the nut. Turn on the water supply.
Okay, so if everything is dry and working, your installation is complete. Just a little cleanup, and then you're ready to enjoy the everyday beauty and function of your new American Standard toilet. And remember, if you have any questions or you need additional information, you can always visit americanstandard.com or call our customer service line.